Hi y'all, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and today prepping I'm prepping and planning for this week's meals for the home daycare. And so what I've got is a grid system here where I've got breakfast, AM snack, lunch, and then on a rare occasion I'll have a PM snack for children that are staying a little bit later. And what I'm doing is setting this up. I've put little tags so I know what to get at the grocery store or to ask the parents to bring. In my daycare, the parents are responsible for bringing food and packing food. So some of this is stuff that I've provided, and some of this is what parents have provided. Even though parents are responsible for bringing their own snacks and food, I go ahead and provide a lot here as well, just to kind of keep it cohesive with all of the kids and to fill in any gaps. So for Monday, I have cinnamon rolls, and I'll boil the eggs, and I'll probably add some applesauce on that day. On Tuesday morning for breakfast, I have apple cinnamon oatmeal with peeled and sliced apples, and then I may add some cinnamon toast if some of the kids don't like oatmeal. And I have less children for breakfast, and then I have some late arrivers that will have the AM snack will basically be a second breakfast for them. Sometimes some of my kids eat at home before they get here. So Wednesday morning, for breakfast, we'll have mixed berry fruit and grains. I have little cups of pears, and then I'll probably make some scrambled eggs. So I know I need to pick up some more eggs for this week. For Thursday, I'm going to plan on doing an orange day all that all that day on Thursday. So I have these cranberry orange muffins. I'll probably add some deli ham for a source of protein, and then a parent gave me a bag of oranges, so we'll do that for the breakfast. And then we'll do cocoa wheats on Friday, and then that will be made with milk, and then I'll add toast and some kind of fruit. So grapes, apples, strawberries, or juice would go well with cocoa wheats. Okay, Monday's AM snack I give before I lay the children down. So we'll have these breakfast chocolate cookies, um, and little cherry yogurts, but one of my children's allergic to peanuts, and this particular ingredient says it may have traces of peanuts from being manufactured in the same facility. So their parent will provide a different snack than that. And then on Tuesday for the morning snack, I've got some little sliced orange cups of oranges, in which the babies are really these are really easy for the babies to chew, and I still cut those in half anyway. So I've got some goldfish and some American cheese. On Wednesday, I've got some chocolate rice cakes, and I've got one little thing of yogurt that a parent provided. So the little tag there lets me know that I need to pick up some more yogurt, and I thought strawberries would go good with that. So everywhere that I have the yellow tags, I know I need to add that to the grocery list or ask the parents to bring. So Thursday morning, I'm going to incorporate the cottage cheese and pineapples. I know two of my girls like that, but I've got cheddar crackers and cheddar cheese that I'll cut up into little sticks, and that'll be for the children that don't like cottage cheese or pineapple. And this again is on our orange day. And then Friday, I've got graham crackers and milk, and I'll add either apples or grapes to that for the morning snack. Okay, for lunch on Monday, I've got some Chef Boyardee and some peas, and the Chef Boyardee has the meatballs in it, and then I have grapes. I think would go good with that. On Tuesday, I've got chicken nuggets and broccoli. On On Wednesday, we'll do grilled cheese sandwiches, and I need to get some beef vegetable soup, would pair nicely with that. On our orange day for Thursday, I've got macaroni and cheese and some carrots, and I'll do some kind of fruit. And then on Friday, I need to get everything for Friday, which will be deli meat sandwiches and then some kind of fruit and vegetable. Okay, so I have these vanilla cupcake graham crackers that a parent provided, and I'll save that for one of our late PM snacks. And I have these little graham cracker little packets here that a parent provided, and I'll have those set aside for Thursday for our orange day. So I try to stay stocked up with a lot of these basics, and in my freezer I still have ready-made pancakes, and I have French toast sticks for next week, and I have Nutri grain bars in my cabinet for next week as well. And when my supplies start getting a little bit low, I kind of lay everything out here and um, kind of map out what we have and what we need to buy. And that way I notify the parents in advance, and um, gives us an idea of what we still need to do and what my shopping list will be like for this week. So I hope this helps. Y'all enjoy your home daycare in your classroom. Take care. Thanks. Bye.